Hey guys, Randy here, the Monetize Your Life guy. And so get this, I'm talking to my young one about how he can make some extra money. Now, he's pretty good at math. And I thought, wait a minute, he's pretty good at math and a lot of people aren't good at math. I said, so what if you created a tutoring in math or in their studies, and then you put it on your own little website, and you also can make money from parents. Because guess what? If you can show their children how to do math better and how to do their studies better, I'd be more than willing to pay for that. And because we're in the COVID-19, a lot of kids are out of class. Also, what I told him he could do is show them how to have fun. So I says, get your schoolwork done so that you can get to your fun. Create some cool little name like that, right? Put it out there and start saying, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show your children, your kids, how to get their work done, right? And then I'm going to show them how to have fun. And he's really big into gaming and all that kind of stuff. And I thought, well, wait a minute. You can combine what you love to do with what you know how to do. He knows how to do math. He knows how to do the studies. He knows how to kind of sit himself down and get his work done. How many kids right now are at home running around, running their parents, batty, or their babysitters batty, right? And not getting their work done. And they may be thinking, I'd really rather be over here playing my video games. So with his site, what he could do is show them how to get the work done. And the parents can come in and they can take a look at that. They can, get onto the site, whatever it is. And then they can see how he's helping them get their work done. And then the other selling benefit would be that he's now showing them how to have fun. Get into the gaming. He can have links and all that kind of stuff that shows different products, multiple ways that he can earn. Now, another thing, he makes money from babysitting. So I thought, how could you turn that into an opportunity? So how you can, and one of the names I helped him come up with was how young money, how you can make young money, how you can make how a young person can make grown up money. I don't know, come up with something like that, right? And then now he can show some of the kids that are in his age group, he's 15, can show other kids in that age group how they can earn from things that they're already doing. That's one of the big concepts that I always talk about in Monetize Your Life. It just doesn't mean us, right, the grown-ups, monetize our lives, but if we can now show our children how they can monetize their lives, they can stay out of our pockets. Well, that's the big idea, right? You don't get an allowance. You don't get an allowance from me. You earn your money. How you earn your money? You're doing your babysitting. Now you have all of these other opportunities. You've got a skill set. You know how to, you know how to put some verbs together. You know how to conjugate some verbs, right? You know how to do some of these things. You also know how to do some math, which is just hard for folks. So you now can be a complement and a supplement to the teaching, and from someone your age group. That becomes the key thing. And this is a little secret for you guys, that you learn better when you have to teach it. So why not teach it, learn it better, and earn at the same time? So you can be a young person making grown-up money. Now think about this. Who's ever seen this video, if you're of an older age, show that to your young ones so they can stay out of your pocket and they can make their own money. They can learn to monetize their lives, and they can start making money for themselves, whether it is online or offline. All of these are good ideas that I share with you in the Monetize Your Life system. I'll see you inside the course.